Atakaje moja.
Yo sir, no.
Endelea basi.
KB Kashmiro. So, what we trying to do?
Yeah, I don't know. I
This
think my
project.
job is to
Yes. I'm giving you a background story.
Yes.
This is part of this is a song in a project called Rent Free Tenant.
Rent free tenant.
Yani huyu ni demu.
Okay.
Nimemhost mimi landlord. Okay. Halipi kodi. Udemu yuko tu halipi chochote.
Rent free
Tenant.
So this is a song.
Yeah, wewe na wewe sasa.
So for try to this song for my brother. This is the second time we're doing a song with him. Yeah.
Is the third song?
Yeah. No, this is the second time we're doing a song with him.
Third,
You know Chizungu with this guy.
Oh no, wait. I'll translate. At the end of it, I'll translate. I'll say it in a language that you can comprehend.
Chichoni sasa.
Yes. Yani short nakwambia hii ni song ya hii na
lakini si tatu pia nafikiri mshaimba mbili nyuma.
Gani nyingine mimi sijui.
Tulipiga chiringongo.
Chiringongo.
Na ile sijui mfuko ule.
So yeah.
Sinajua nyimbo zako
So this is a part of that song. I had the idea yesterday. Take it up like I can make I need to go gaga, yeah. I don't know. So yeah. We bless it and we hope yani we hope with this second coming of no Jesus. Yeah, this is like my second coming. Yeah, this is the second coming of Kashmiro.
Yeah.
I've been away for so long. But I left the game on a very high note. I opened a lot of paths for so many young heroes out here. There are a lot of guys doing representing. Yeah. So cheers, Jah, to come through to this project, and we ask for the blessings. And this is the first time I've been a project with you.
Second time, brother.
Second
The
time.
first time